This is the ribbed spiderweb stitch. As you can see, it's a circle with these raised bars that radiate out from the center. To make this, we first need to make those central bars. So we come up on the outer edge here. We make a stitch down to where the center of our circle would be. And we repeat. Find the outside of our shape. And back down in the center. Outside. Center. And we want to make sure to have an odd number of spokes, essentially, or lines here for our ribbed spider web. So there's 4, 5, 6. We want one more, so we'll squeeze it in there because I did not space those very well, but that's okay. So there's 7. So you have 7 spokes. Next, we want to come up in between 2 of our spokes, right near the center there. And we're going to slide our needle underneath that spoke that's nearest. Pull our thread on through. And now we are going to slide our needle back under that same spoke and the spoke in front of it. I want to make sure not to catch that working thread there, and gently pull through. And we keep repeating as we go around our circle. So under the one we just went under and under the next one. Under that last one we did there, and the next one. And as you can see, I'm rotating my hoop as I'm doing this just to make it a little easier for me to work this stitch and hold my hoop at the same time. As we finish up this first row here, you can start to see some of that ribbing form, which is the raised portion of our spokes. And that's when we wrap that thread around those spokes going under here. And we just want to keep working our way around until we have covered these spokes up. And ideally, all of your spokes, these straight stitches we made, would be the same length to make that easier. Mine are not, so that's okay. Bit of a fuzzy there. There we go. Around we go. This one is a fun filler stitch for flowers, or maybe like wagon spokes, or if you're doing some kind of fun lights or anything like that, maybe a sun, but it just adds a little extra textural fill to your shape here. And this one is, I would say, usually a circle that you're filling in because of the way the spokes radiate from that center. You could also do like a half circle and make a seashell or something fun like that, but in general it's some sort of variation on a circle that we're filling with this. Let's see, a little tight right there because that spoke's shorter than these guys, but almost almost done. Go, maybe one more here. All right, so when we finish going around, you can see our thread is still on the front of our fabric. So we just bring our needle back down right around that last spoke we're nearest to and pull it nice and flush like so. And that is our ribbed spiderweb stitch.